Yes.
6.
Yes.
I'm gonna beat Marovastad.
Yes.
You like it or not?
You're between decider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I need position number 2.
Yeah.
If I'm on the position number 2,
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Yes.
I'm really appreciating my leadership.
Yeah.
As a Kaizer Chiefs fan,
Yeah.
I love my team.
Yeah.
I support my team. The problem for that is it's a plumber stadium.
Yeah. You must not play here.
No, as a Kaizer Chiefs, we are brand man.
Yeah, we are big brand.
We must support you to play here.
New Peter Maka.
New Peter Mkava.
Yes.
That when I sit here, I can see for the screen that
Yeah, you
Mumble
are
is there.
Yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah.
But here, my wife, they said, I'm
I
here,
saw
blah, blah. I'm saying, hey, he said, hey, I'm kissing someone. Ooh.
You're in trouble.
I'm in trouble.
Mr. Wasif,
Bravo.
did you see that you're talking to Quindas here? Did you notice that?
Guys, I'm having Quinda and Quinda.
Hey.
Which one is the original? Quinda and Quinda, or there is Quinda Junior.
Big brother,
This is a
junior.
Quindas here.
Oh, okay.
Big brother,
Yes.
junior.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah.
So I give credit my brother. I give my brother my chances here.
Oh,
Nice
one.
Yeah. Then the next one. You see?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
For free.
We are love and peace.
Well, I love and peace.
Yes.
For that I'm saying,
Yeah.
next week I'm gonna give you the other one,
Yes.
the new season for 2025 to 2026.
Yes.
Because I love for that guy.
Yes.
Because his support for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
He's my brother.
Yes.
I'll continue to support him.
Yes.
Because Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
No matter what we lose or what, we're cruising nicely.
And we are umo.
You know what?
Yeah.
I forgot to say something.
Yeah.
I did apply for passport.
Yes. You go
So
into
Monday, Tuesday, I'm gonna go to collect.
Yeah.
Then for next season,
Yeah.
we're gonna go Egypt.
Yes. Kef.
Kef.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kef. We're gonna go Egypt,
Yeah.
Tunisia,
Yes.
Morocco,
Yes.
everywhere.
All the
Leadership.
African countries.
All the African countries because we love for that team.
Yes.
No matter what.
Yeah.
We love for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
And I'm gonna continue to love for that team.
Yeah.
Thank you, my leadership.
Thank you very much.
Chief.
Ufedit.
Not sharp.
Black or sharp?